Day 2 of restoring all the door hardware in my 1920s townhome. I'm taking them from this to this. I love this project because home improvement content tends to focus too much on consumption and total makeovers, but there's something beautiful about fixing and taking care of the things we already have. To get started, I let the hardware sit in boiling water with baking soda, which helps the paint come right off. Then I polished everything with Brasso, and this is by far my favorite doorknob in the house. The back plates also have a beautiful Art Deco shape. I love how you can really see all the details now. This project was tedious and it took a couple days, but it made all the difference. Just look at this before and after. The doorknobs went from being something I always overlooked to being one of my favorite details in the house.